I'm just relaxing here. It's really nice of you to put in a garden up here, babe, even though we're staying only 3 days. Filling up the soil. What are you going to plant?
Huh?
What are you going to plant?
This just keeps the dust down by putting a layer of pine needle duff
Oh, I thought you were.
all around the fire pit.
I thought you were making a rock garden.
No,
Going to plant some, pansies or something.
lupin. Wouldn't that be funny to plant a whole spray of
And then
lupin
leave.
right in the center?
Yes.
Yep.
And then put a little sign saying, "Please water."
Yes, please water.
Yeah.
An initial that you did it.
Yeah, initial here.